How to add value to your career? First, keep studying, doing courses and certifications in project management. Never stop learning. Go to Congress and webinars. This is very important to learn, to increase your network, and to see what is the up-to-date in project management. Find a mentor. If you know someone that have a career that is an example, it's something that you can refer, that you can learn with this person. Contact this person, talk to him, talk to her. Say that you are trying to develop a career successful like him or her, and ask her to be your mentor.